it's not going to be sent to all the recipients. So there will be no evidence that they can see that that happened. That's the idea.
Too, right? I thought everything's trackable.
No, the point of a BCC is if you send it to Alice and you BCC Jane, the mail Alice gets does not have any record of Jane at all. So in a properly configured system, that should be relatively secure. Unless there's a bug. That's always the issue. So I hope you guys, looks like the participants are back. Okay, so I think we're back on the road here. And I think we're up to another Kahoot. So let's try that. Put up some sound. All right. Glorious Kahoot. And this is remembered good defaults. It looks pretty good. Okay, 312-254.
Is that random?
Well, you know, that's a very good question. It's probably pseudo-random and it might very well be predictable. I'm sure these guys didn't care and just used like the Python default encrypt random number generator or something. I know there were a bunch of bugs in Facebook and Instagram like that, where you would get these supposedly random codes for your images, and you could predict other people's codes and see their supposedly private images. It happens to cookies too. You get a session cookie, but they're not random enough. So you guess somebody else's session cookie.
But
Often random numbers, and they're not
like a.
So I guess I'll start in 5 seconds.
And there's no letters in there. So it's not random enough. You can't mix it.
You're right. It doesn't have much entropy. All right. So if you roll dice, what have you got?
That's the fixed dice.
That's true. Assuming they're fair dice. Yes. Assuming they're fair dice. Yes. So that should be a true random number generator. That's the idea. It is the closest we get to something that should be perfectly secure. Perfectly unpredictable. That's the idea. All right. Which one is unpredictable?
Like an 80s.
All right, and that's a CS, PRNG by definition. Cryptographically secure means you can't predict it from measuring any. All right. And which one is unconditionally secure? Kind of thing you very rarely hear anyone say, if they know anything. I don't know how the time, oh, you all voted fast. Okay, that's the one-time pad. The one-time pad is apparently perfect. For centuries, people have attacked it. It seems like there's no way in. If you don't have the pad, you're just...
It's a game show. Amateurs, we're supposed to answer
what
the
one creates numbers that appear random, but are easily predictable. Those are the linear ones, linear congruential.
No.
It's a special case of pseudo-random number generators, but this is the kind where it's really just a straight line. And any 2 points is enough to determine it. All right, which one is actually used by computers to create the random numbers? Hey, this is no good. There's 2 identical answers. I'm going to skip that one. There, ha. Because 2 identical answers and they're even right, that's too cruel. I don't know. Hopefully, it will not give you any points. Such is life. Like I say, these things are extra credit partly because the person who develops them is so incompetent. Anyway. All right. So let's charge on with another bit of math, which is XOR. That's my next goal. So I don't plan to do any more of the modular arithmetic today. You've done enough of that for one day, but I'm thinking you might be able to tolerate a bit of XOR. Let's try 141 slide XOR. Okay, and I'm gonna stop the Zoom and restart it so we can have a separate video for this different topic. So on my website, samsclass.info, Then you click 141 and then click slides.